Hello everyone. We learned in the previous video that how to initialize or assign the value inside the variable. So through this method we learned to do the simple calculation also using the variables. Now today we are learning how to enter the value using the inputs keyword. Now if you check this example, what have we done? We have already stored the value inside the variable and accordingly we are getting the result. Suppose I wanted to make some change in the principal. I have to come back to program, make the change and then execute the program. But it's a time consuming process. Instead of this, what can be done? Like here cursor is blinking. I wanted that here only on this output screen, script mode, interactive mode, cursor should blink and ask me to input the value. So how to do that? Let me explain. We'll do using the input keyword. Now here I'm writing enter principal suppose. So what will happen while I'm executing my program? See, simple interest already calculated because it was done enter principal. So each time when I'm executing my program, it will ask me to enter your principal or enter your whatever variable you have chosen there. See, this is how what we are doing. We are storing the value using the input statement. Now, one thing which I wanted to tell you, input store the data in the form of string only. It will store only in the string. So calculation cannot be possible using the string characters. We cannot do any calculation. For that purpose, what we require, we need one more keyword there, that is called int or integer. Short form int. If we expand it, that means it is an integer. Now the program which we have done using the variables, we are just making some changes and doing the same one using the input statement. Now see, I have made some changes there. I am writing there in input. So input will enter the value and integer will convert that value into the number, so that only we are able to do the calculation. Enter rate of interest, I have suppose written it, and then for the time you can write anything whatever you feel like enter year, enter time, it is up to you. Or instead of enter, if you want to write input, can be written there input the value of time, anything can be written because it is inside the double quotation. The way you write, it will come as it is. And then after this, simple interest formula is used and then we are printing the value. Here we are not entering anything. Entering part is there in PRT. Now save your program. After saving, execute your program. See, it is asking me enter the principal. Till now it was picking the direct principal which was mentioned there in the variable. Now I have made the changes. I have done there. I have made changes. I have used their input and int keywords. Using these keywords, what will happen? Input will pick the value, like I am writing here this value, or let me change. I'm writing here suppose 9,000 and rate of interest suppose 7 and time suppose 5 years. So see, simple interest is coming over there using the values which I wanted to input. If I need to make some changes, I need something else. Now I'll just execute the program, write their principal. Suppose I wanted, this is the principal, rate of interest is 7 and year is 3 only. It is changed. So each time what you require to do, you need to execute your program. That's it. You will get the different result. If we are initializing the value the manner I did, like p is equal to, this is the value, suppose I have to come back to program, make the changes there. Now work is very easy. We are not coming back to the program to make the changes. We are just executing the program. So while we are executing the program, it is giving us the desired result, whatever we require. So that means int input, using these keywords we can input the value of our choice. During the execution, we are not going to the program make the change. So that's how what we are doing. We are making the change in the values during the execution. So I hope this is understood to you. You can also practice uh, this program. You can choose another program, like you can calculate calculate your area of a circle. You can calculate rectangle, area of a rectangle. The program which I gave you last time, same can be done using the int input. So that's it. Thank you very much. Please practice it.